Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Let's begin. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes before baking. In a mixing bowl, mix sugar with lemon zest. Add softened butter and cream the mixture by either using a wooden spoon or a hand mixer, whichever is preferable or you have. Add an egg and beat until pale yellow and creamy. Collect from the sides of the bowl, mix, then add milk, gradually adding milk. Sift in flour, baking powder, and mix. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Here I'm making adjustments. A very warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you will choose to stay. Fill the baking pan. Please do not forget to grease the pan like I almost did. I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Tap the pan a few times and bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the cakes are golden. Meanwhile, make lemon-infused syrup by placing sugar in a pan, add water, and stir to dissolve the sugar. Umbubudlo. Cook it at medium heat. When it starts to boil, reduce the heat to low and boil for 8 minutes. Poke the cakes with a sharp object, then drizzle them with syrup whilst they are hot. Fanele isyrup ingene ngaphakathi emakhekeni. Leave them in a pan for 10 minutes, then take them out of the pan, cool them in a cooling rack. Here I made strawberry jam because I didn't have a ready-made one. So while the jam was still hot, I added red food colorant gel and I mixed. I'm showing which gel I used. Now I will show you, if you have a ready-made gem, how do you go about adding the colorant. So if the gem is thick, the store-bought one, add hot water, mix until it's fluid, sieve it if it's thick and have lumps. Place desiccated coconut in a bowl or any container and dip the cakes one by one into the gem first, then into the coconut. Please press the like button and leave a comment below and add more value to this video. I would truly appreciate that. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.